Hello everyone. For this tutorial video, I like to explain how to do much more complicated calculations with addition and subtraction than just simple quantities you can calculate with your fingertips. As an example problem, if we were told to add 2,963 to 1,219, we would obviously have a very difficult time trying to do it just by counting all the quantities by hand. But what we can do is write it out and make sure to align the numbers appropriately. So make sure the thousands line up properly and all the other digits line up properly too. When adding large sums like these, it is traditional to start at the rightmost point, go left after that, go left after that, go left after that, and so on. And also, if any of your results exceed 9, then you would add 1 to the digit to the left of it. And no matter how large the sum itself is, it actually is this simple. And with subtraction, it is similarly simple. Except instead of adding 1 to the digit to the direct left of it, you would borrow 1 from the left instead if you go below 0. In my next tutorial video, I like to talk about the distributive property, which is used for calculating somewhat complicated multiplications, but they have to follow a very specific format that not all problems will follow, as we will see in the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.